Part 5 of this video explains the common suffixes of medical terminologies with examples. Philia stands for love of, or abnormal attraction. For example, hydrophilia means the ability to combine with or attract water. Whereas phobia refers to fear of, for example, hydrophobia means fear of water. Algia refers to pain. For example, fibromyalgia means a condition that causes pain all over the body, also referred to as widespread pain. And neuralgia means pain in a nerve pathway. Next suffix is cardia. For example, tachycardia refers to a heart rate that's too fast, and bradycardia develops an abnormally slow heart rate that is less than 60 beats per minute. Ectomy refers to surgery to remove. For example, appendectomy is surgery to remove the appendix when it is infected. And tonsillectomy is the surgical removal of the tonsils, two oval-shaped pads of tissue at the back of the throat, one tonsil on each side. EMIA refers to presence in the blood. For example, anemia is a condition in which you lack enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to your body's tissues. And hypoglycemia is a condition in which your blood sugar glucose level is lower than normal. Iatrix or iatry refers to speciality. For example, geriatrics refers to medical care for older adults, pediatrics is the specialty of medical science concerned with the physical, mental, and social health of children from birth to young adulthood. And another example is psychiatry, the study and treatment of mental illness, emotional disturbance, and abnormal behavior. Itis refer to inflammation. For example, arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. Another example is laryngitis is an inflammation of the voice box, and tendinitis is when a tendon swells, becomes inflamed, after a tendon injury. Lysis refers to deterioration. For example, dialysis and paralysis. Ology means science of, for example, microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms, such as bacteria, viruses, archaea, fungi and protozoa. Next example is pathology, is a branch of medical science that involves the study and diagnosis of disease through the examination. Oma refers to swelling or tumor, for examples blastoma, is a type of cancer caused by malignancies in precursor cells, which are commonly referred to as blasts. And mesothelioma, is an aggressive and deadly form of cancer. Pathy refers to disease, for example, neuropathy is damage or dysfunction of one or more nerves that typically results in numbness, tingling, muscle weakness and pain in the affected area. Another example is sociopathy, a person with a personality disorder manifesting itself in extreme antisocial attitudes and behavior and a lack of conscience. Scopy means exam with an instrument, for example colonoscopy, when a doctor looks at the lining of the entire colon and rectum using an endoscope. And endoscopy is a non-surgical procedure used to examine a person's digestive tract, using an endoscope, which is a flexible tube with a light and camera attached to it. Learn terminologies with MJM.